Dear student, welcome to our Greenfield School and College online class. Today I am discussing about chapter 7. You are requested to uh, request me to give a lecture. So, student, thank you. Now I am going to discuss the organs of Bangladesh and governments and the administrative systems. We have already discussed the state previous chapter. The government has some organ in order to discharge different function. Mainly, what we understand by the government is the legislative body, political parties, cabinet, ruler, and court, and the police. Actually, the government has three organs mainly. Underline it: executive, legislature, and judiciary. These three basic departments necessarily exist in each political system because the three key tasks of the government are running the administration, making laws, establish the justice. You understand this? Actually, these three main organs run the country. The administration are of two categories: central and local. Look, executive. A smooth administrative system is a must for the internal peace, discipline, and development of a country. The administration is the department and regulates governance of the state, conducts the regular, occasional administrative and official functions, maintain law and order, implement overall resolution of the state and privileges thereof. In a greater sense, the executive or the administration department consists of all administrative employees, including the president, the cabinet, government official. Actually, from the central to the local government, like Chowkidar, they are all are included in the executive department. Legislature. The legislature is one of the three organs of the government. The power of legislative includes the power of making law and repealing or modifying or amending the existing laws without contravening the provisions of the constitution where necessary. The legislature or the parliament is a part of the legislative department. Underline it. Legislature or the parliament is a part of legislative department. The legislature is composed of persons elected by the people or members nominated in some particular extent. Any law enacted by the legislature is finally passed with the president's assent. So legislature means parliament. It consists of 300 constituencies are there in the country and 50 are reserved, and these 350 cabinet member working there. And the name of the legislature of Bangladesh is the parliament. What is the name of the legislature? Legislature Bangladesh is the parliament. The Congress is the legislature of the United States. What is the name of the United States legislature? Congress. The name of the Britain legislature is the parliament. The legislature of many Muslim countries are now known as Majlis. What is the name of the Muslim countries legislature? Majlis. Some countries have unicameral, some have bicameral legislature. A bicameral parliament consists of an upper house and lower house as well. The parliament of Bangladesh unicameral, whereas India, USA bicameral. Lower division and upper division. USA and Britain, India have the judiciary. The establish the justice is one of the solemn tasks of the state. The department of the government that tries judicially is called the judiciary. The judiciary department to punish the infringers of law, establish justice, and protect individual freedom of the citizen depends on an independent and unprejudiced judicial system to a great extent. The judicial department consists of all courts, justice, judges of the state. Now we discuss the status of the president. The president is by the status the whole above all he is head of the state according to the constitution. Underline it. Look his power. The power and the function of the president in the parliamentary system government. The president is a titular head. Underline all executive action of the government are executed in the name underline of the president. He deserves no executive power. Actually he has no executive power. He can exercise his executive action in formation of government, in governance and legislation, finance, judiciary, defense and diplomatic function. The powers and functions relating to appointment of the prime minister and administration. The president shall appoint the leader of the party got majority in the election as the prime minister. Prime minister forms the government with the ministers chosen by him or her. The president may not act with the advice of anybody in appointing the prime minister. The president appoints the prime minister, cabinet minister, deputy minister, distributes the portfolios amongst them with the advice of the prime minister. Actually every work he has to get or take advice from the prime minister. The president also appoints the, actually underline, this is important for MCQ, appoints the attorney general of Bangladesh, judges of Supreme Court, chief election commissioner, short name CEC, and controller and auditor general, comptroller and auditor general, the chairman and others members, public service commission, PAC, the ambassador, envoys and high commissioner. The parliamentary and legislative power. Look, actually he addresses the parliament in the first session at the commencement of the first session of each year. Parliament holds discuss on the president's speech. Occasionally he sends message to the parliament. He may adjourn and dissolve the parliament on the prime minister advice. Ordinance making power. Underline. It will be when you checking the when you will check the board question, you will find out the ordinance making power. This question set as a creative question B. At any time when the parliament is dissolved or is not in session, if the president thinks that circumstance exists which require immediate necessary action, he may promulgate ordinances, and any ordinance so made shall. Look, number 4, the appointment of the chief justice and judicial power. He does not consult anybody for these when he appoint them. The prerogative of mercy power, very very important, underline. The president shall have the power to grant pardons, reprieves and respites, and to remit, suspend or commute any sentence passed by any court, tribunal and other authority. President of Bangladesh exercise this power in accordance with the advice of prime minister. Financial activities. Actually president has the power to authorize expenditure from the consolidated fund for supplementary or excess grant. Defense service. President is the supreme commander of the defense service. Proclamation of emergency, very very important. One is ordinance making power and proclamation of emergency power of the president. If the president is satisfied that a grave emergency exists in which the security or economic life of Bangladesh or any part therefore threatened by war and internal aggression or internal disturbance, he may issue a proclamation of emergency, provided that such proclamation shall require for its validity the prior counter signature of the prime minister. While a proclamation of emergency is in operation, provision of certain articles of the constitution and informants of fundamental rights remain suspended for here is a question: when the emergency is declared, then it will be, or maybe, the provision of certain article of the constitution and enforcement of the fundamental rights remains suspended. It is very dangerous situation will occur when or emergency is declared. Then the human rights or fundamental rights is in danger. May be specified in the order. The status of the prime minister. He or she, leader of the prime minister, underline, he or she is the chief executive of the, the chief state of the president and chief executive of the prime minister. Power and function: administrative, executive power. Legislative, prime minister play a vital role to legislation. He patronizes and ruling party in the parliament. The power of the prime minister in leading parliament. The prime minister is the leader of the parliament. He adopts an effective role for successful, smooth management of the parliaments. Actually, she leads to have confidence and cooperation of the opposition. Financial power: the prime minister reserves an important authority in financial concern of the state, especially reflect in the budget present by the finance minister. The president grants the fund for meeting the administrative expenditure with the advice of the prime minister. Coordinating the government policy: prime minister coordinates the government policies in the entire administrative machinery revolves. The coordinating meeting every month. The coordination meeting is held in the secretariat. The role of the prime minister as the principal spokesman of the nation is very, very important. The prime minister acts as a spokesman of the nation. Actually, she declare. Now our prime minister is female, so I can say she declare the situation of the nation or of the country. So this speech are called spokesman. She informs the nation of any national crisis. She issues statements on behalf of the state. Leader of majority party: prime minister is the leader of the ruling party in a democratic country. System of government. Legislature is one of the three organs of legislature. Look, it's important, the power of function of Jatiya Sanshad and the parliament. The name of the legislative body of Bangladesh is the Jatiya Sanshad. The parliament, the Jatiya Sanshad is the predominant part of the legislature. Any law enacted by the parliament is finally passed with the assent of the president. The parliament of Bangladesh consists of 350 members as per the 15th amendment of the constitution. Already 17 amendment already complete, finished. Then the 15th amendment, according to the 15th amendment, the parliament of Bangladesh consists of 350 members. 300 members will be elected by the direct enfranchisement of the people, and the rest of the 50 seats are reserved for women. They will be elected by the 300 members of the parliament in accordance with the law. The reserved seats don't preclude any woman from contesting the election in the general seats. Out of the members of the parliament, speaker and deputy speaker will be elected by the member. The parliament system of government has been established as per the 12th amendment, underlined, very, very important for an MCQ of the constitution in 1991. As a result, the powers and function of parliament have been much augmented in respect of legislation, control over the administration, superintendence of finance, election. In Bangladesh, different types of power and function. Legislative power, like a very, very important, Article 65 vests the legislative power of the republic in the actually our constitutional republic of Bangladesh. In the parliament dictating that there shall be a parliament of Bangladesh. subject of the provision of the Constitution, shall be vested the legislative power of the Republic. The Parliament has the plenty power to make any new laws and repeal or modify or alter the existing law. The Parliament by law can delegate the function of making subordinate legislation to some other authority to legislate any law, by-law, rules, power to formation of the government, financial power, judicial power. Look, here is a question. Number 4, the power to judicial affairs. The Parliament may impeach President, very, very important, on a charge of violation of the Constitution, of grave misconduct on the ground of physical or mental incapacity. The Parliament also, in exercise of power, may impeach the Speaker, Deputy Speaker, and Ombudsman where necessary. The power to electoral affairs, power to protect or of an amendment in the Constitution. The Parliament plays an important role as depository of the Constitution. Underline, very, very important. Any revision in the Constitution is presented before accepted by the Parliament. Miscellaneous power, procedure of control, administrative department. To dispense justice, the main task of judiciary including judging the convicted for the offense and infraction of law according to the existing law. Look, here is a question. To safeguard the Constitution, the judiciary act as a custodian of the Constitution. It delivers an ultimate expounding of the Constitution. Judicial reviews have a great importance in the USA system of governance, where the Supreme Court holds authority to a great extent. Central administration. Look, the Secretariat of our Parliament hold the central place within the administrative system in Bangladesh. So central place holds the Secretariat of Parliament. In general terms, different ministries. What is Secretariat? In general terms, different ministries and their divisional offices are collectively called Secretariat. Local administration. Look, a local administration means a form of administration at local level comprising of division, district, upazila. It is formed for the sake of convenient governance process, central administration, control. The main objective of central administration is to maintain law and order, collect revenues, implement government decision. In this form of administration, working individuals who relate to the local administration are considered agent or representative of the government, such as the division and deputy commissioner and the upazila nirbahi officer UNO in our country. Union Council, very, very important. Whoever request me, thank you very much again. And I already discussed important things, and another things you read it more your residence. And if you have any problem, please contact with me.